Congratulations on finishing the Adobe Photoshop 2021 Ultimate course. In this video, we're going to go over a quick summary of what we learned throughout the course. So in section 2, we talked about Adobe Creative Cloud 2021. I showed you how to set up an account, how to download and install the Creative Cloud app. In section 3, we talked about the Adobe Photoshop 2021 setup and how to install Adobe Photoshop 2021. In section 4, we talked about the welcome page, and we covered the following: Home, Learn, Lightroom Photos, Cloud Documents, and we talked about Cloud Documents compared to local documents, okay? Shared with you Cloud Documents and deleted Cloud Documents, and then I showed you how to create a new document locally on your computer and also on the cloud, and how to open a Cloud document compared to a local document, okay? Then we talked about how to open up recent files, whether it be a Cloud document or a local document, and then we talked about what's new in Photoshop 2021. In section 5, we covered the main menu. We built out a file, or set up a file, to work with to talk about the main menu and cover the following: File, Edit, Image, Layer, Type, Select, Filter, 3D, View, Plugins, Window, and Help. In section 6, we continue to work with that file and build out a mini project or demo so you can see how the tools work. And we talked about the following: Move, Rectangle Marquee, Lasso, Object Selection, Crop, Frame, Eyedropper, Spot Healing Brush, Brush Tool, Clone Stamp, History Brush, Eraser, Gradient, Blur, Dodge, Pen, Horizontal Type, Path Selection, Rectangle, Hand, and Zoom tools. Okay, and now we're in section 7. We're concluding the course with a conclusion and go over a summary of what we learned, which was a lot, and we had a lot of fun doing it. So I just want to thank you again for watching the course. If you have any questions or concerns about any of the content, please let me know. I'll be happy to help you in any way that I can. Until next time, thanks for watching and take care.